Also, boys, I got these in the mail a while ago. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. This shit is something else, dude.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Nice diet. These have like 20, 50 calories. I love it. Ah! Ah! Woo! Woo! It takes me on a ride every time. Woo! This shit takes me on a ride.
Why you have to be mad?
Buckle up next time. Holy shit! Holy! Comes with stickers too. Wow. I fed one to my log, to London, my dog, at the house. She wouldn't. Dogs don't like eating it. Risk, yeah. Problem. Put it on my keyboard.